File Locksmith in Microsoft PowerToys makes it easy for users to determine which applications and processes are using a specific file or directory. To enable this feature, open Microsoft PowerToys. If you don't have it installed, you can install it from the Microsoft Store. On the left side of the window, locate File Management. Then, in the drop-down, locate File Locksmith. Now, on the right side, use the switch to enable File Locksmith. Then select the drop-down and choose whether you want the File Locksmith option in the default menu or in the extended menu when you right-click on a file. Once enabled, you can close the window. To view what applications are using a specific file, open the File Explorer and right-click on a file. In the menu, locate and select Unlock with File Locksmith. If you don't see this option, select Show More Options, then locate and select Unlock with File Locksmith. In the window that opens, you'll see a list of applications that are currently accessing the file. You can force close the application by selecting End Task. You can also see what other files the application is accessing by selecting the arrow, then locating and selecting Show Files.